Okay, in this RenderNow video, I wanted to show a quick development update. We are looking to redo and just kind of revitalize some of the user experience and user interface of the RenderNow program. And so as we're working on it, I want to show kind of the direction that we're thinking of going. And if anyone has any feedback or comments on it, I'd like to hear definitely anything that anyone is wanting to see, or if you have any just comments in general. And we also want to get anyone that's new to the program or has already been using the program to schedule testing interviews. So we do compensate for it. And so it's super helpful to have anyone that wants to kind of be a part of developing the program to make sure that it works best for you and the different use cases you have for it. So I'll show a couple different images of what we have as the layout for now. It's definitely still in development, and we're adjusting things as we progress through here. But I'll leave a link to in the email to schedule a testing interview if you do want to do that, and we'll basically just go through how the program currently works, and then we'll talk about some different things that that do work well and don't work, and kind of go from there. But it's super helpful if you do want to be involved with that, and I'll leave a link to schedule an interview if you want to be involved with it. Okay, so this is just a quick look at the layout here. We've kind of consolidated a few things up here on the left. This isn't final, but we have the, let me see if I scroll through here. Well, I guess we'll start with the right. So up here on the top right, we have a simplified markup area where you have a few different options. Create your exports or renderings, full screen mode over here. And then when you click on any object, your controls will all come out over here on the panel over here, and we'll look at that in a second. Okay, and then on the left side, this is where you're going to add all your objects. So instead of being on the bottom, it's on the left, and it'll just create more space, and we'll have a lot more options too here over here. And then templates will also be over here. Your whole objects list, so that you can sort through everything and sort of organize everything that's in your scene. All of your uploaded images and adding images will be right there as well. And then on the right side, whenever you click objects, you can open and close this control panel manually if you want to, but there's going to be a number of objects here. We'll probably have this be a little more simplified and basic, and then we'll have a sort of more options or advanced options that will roll out more so that you're not sort of overwhelmed by a ton of things at once. And so then we'll have room options. So everything for the room will be kind of consolidated to one area, as well as lighting and camera views. And that's kind of it for the look of just the different options now. There's much more to it, but essentially we're kind of trying to consolidate things and make things a little bit more straightforward. And the functions of different features will work a little bit differently as well. So we're trying to make that all a little bit more intuitive. And yeah, that is kind of it for now. We could probably do another development update a little bit later, but definitely let us know if you have any comments so far on this, and go ahead and schedule an interview if you would like to either walk through your own process or have any input on what we're doing right here so far. All right, thanks.